how to use HubSpot to make a landing page. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use HubSpot to make a landing page. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the HubSpot website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to click on the marketing tab and then click on landing pages. Then give your landing page a name and click on create page. After that, just select a template that is best for your niche and HubSpot will basically load up the site builder for your landing page creator. As you can see here, you get to add new containers, sections, and elements to your landing page, modify the text, add some social links or embeds, videos, anchor links, so on and so forth. And you're actually able to preview the different formats for your landing page as you can see here. So it's pretty cool because you get access to all of these configurations and properties like themes, text, commerce, design, functionality, so on and so forth. And that's honestly all there is to it. Now you guys can look at it and design your landing page how you guys want. So that's how you can use HubSpot to make a landing page. That's all for this video.